into the world. Let's hope that we're not gonna get corona, but gotta make 3 stops: post office, UPS store, and we need eggs. Apparently the whole country is in a egg shortage, so we'll have to deal with that. I'm gonna try Brahms and see if Brahms has any eggs. I don't know. It's like Walmart sold out, Sam's sold out. So we'll go to Brahms and hopefully they have some eggs. Plexiglass installed. Never seen that before. Weird. But I guess they have to do whatever it takes to stay safe. Can't even talk. So dropped off 2 boxes at the postal service at the post office, and now I'm driving to the UPS store. Success at the Brahms at $3.50 for a dozen eggs. A bit on the pricey side, but better than no eggs, I guess. Got some ice cream and some milk. Yeah, all good. Now back home and never out again for the next 7 days. Yay. I'm trying to hold this GoPro so it won't make any noise on the microphone. I have not figured out this little GoPro. And however I touch it, it causes problems. We have another sign. This is a rush order. This is a gym sign. I need to get this going. I carved it yesterday, painted it yesterday, so what do you have? Sand, stain, poly is next. Philip, do you want to introduce yourself? I hired some help.
Do I get a pay?
Yeah.
What is it?
I pay you with my love.
Okay.
And I show you how.
Okay.
How to work. That's my pay. Would that work for you?
Yeah. Deal.
Really?
Yes.
Golly, you're cheap.
Yes.
Never mind. So Philip will join me today, and he will peel some signs. So he will take the vinyl that's applied on the sign to prevent the black paint from penetrating into the grain. That's a hard one to say. So he will peel that off. That's about a 45-minute job.
Maybe.
For 50 signs or so. So he will do that, and okay, let's get started. Do you have anything to say to the vlog or to the channel?
No.
How about like and subscribe?
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Smash it.
Smash it.
Hard.
Hard.
If you like the content.
If you like the content.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So yesterday we had a little problem
Dent.
there, a little dent there.
It's fixed now.
It kind of aggravated your foot inside, so we put this one in there, including some paper towels to push that out and let it sit overnight. And now, how do you like it?
It looks better.
Let me see.
It's not like dented anymore.
Look at these shoes. You're like, what, 12?
Yeah.
9? 12?
10.
These
US
are like
10.
These are like legit adult-sized shoes.
10.
US 10. Gosh, well, at least we know you're not gonna tip over easily. See if I can get this out.
Anymore.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
It's tight. That's better.
Like it?
Yeah.
Cool. It is Thursday already, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I guess it is. The quarantine has me all mixed up. Just finished all the signs out here. This is going to go out tomorrow. We have bar signs. Double military emblem, bar sign, running sign, dragon, that's a new one, I like that. Bar, that is a sign for baby footprints. Bar sign, military sign. Hi Philipp.
Hi.
I'm explaining to the people what I'm doing. What are you doing?
Nothing.
We have here a military sign, we have a shop sign, gym, military, and then, oh, this is a good one, RN sign, and more running signs. So, now, currently working on this here. This is going to be a recipe box for my wife. So this is the front going to be.
27.
27.
Can I
Level of Gordon.
Can I see it?
Huh?